Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. A canister vacuum that glides along like a hovercraft on a cushion of air. That's what Ed DiRenna and American Vacuum Innovations has created with the Zero-G vacuum. It can use Silver Micron bags,
which are anti-microbial and antibacterial and antiviral. By test and by consumer actual usage, it outcleans virtually any other vacuum.
We've been impressed with the cleaning capability and the coolness of that hovering, no wheels. About the Silver Micron bags, they were created by inventor Barry Schwartz, who's also using the technology in HVAC filters.
And that media has the ability to destroy germs, mold, bacteria, and viruses on contact.
More important than ever, find more at zerogvac.com and silvermicron.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.